Hey guys, Sebbies is back. I do hope you all are doing well. So I was recently asked by one of my Sebbies to talk about how I feel, I guess, about people reattaching a whole set of locks. And I thought this would be a wonderful topic to bring to a lock community meeting. So let's get to it. Alright, so yeah, say a person has had locks, they've done the work, they've gone through the journey, they started the journey, they ended the journey, and then for whatever reason they cut off their locks. And there are, various reasons that people cut off their locks. Some people who go through cancer and know that they're going to lose their hair, they will cut off their locks in advance so that they're in a healthy state, before the chemo or radiation starts to do its damage on the locks, in an attempt to, with the mindset that they will once again reattach their locks if they make it through, if they go into remission or whatever. Some people just feel like they're done with the journey. They cut off their locks, but they keep them, maybe for sentimental reasons or whatever. I mean, there are many reasons why people cut off their locks, right? And some people, they find out that once they cut off their locks, they actually miss them. Or maybe they discover that once they cut off their locks, maybe it was to start a new chapter, or to feel free or refreshed, or, to start with a clean, fresh slate, that it didn't really deliver the potential promise. And they find that they missed their hair more than they thought. And so they want to go back to lock life. How do I feel about people reattaching a whole set of locks? I think that because it's their hair, first of all, you guys already know, I always say it, people are free to do whatever the heck they want to do, right? So by that very basis, by that very fact, I'm okay with it, right? But I always relate things back to me, and I think about how I would handle a situation, what I would do if I were in that person's shoes. I don't know. If I'm to be honest, I feel like there's something weird, and I can't really quite place exactly what it is. There's something weird about me reattaching my locks. I think it's probably my OCD, like I'm very anal, and I think it would bother me to know that my locks, once reattached, there's no way to guarantee that, the lock is gonna be exactly where it was previously on my head before I cut them. And because I'm anal like that, that would bother me, and it would be weird to think that I took a lock that was from the nape of my neck area and it's up here in the front. I think for me, that's why it would be weird. But I think it's fine for people, to, if they've grown out their locks and they still have them and they want them back, I think it's fine to get them reattached. I mean, after all, it's their hair, and it's their choice. So I'm curious to know what you guys feel about this topic. Do you think they should just start their lock journey all over? Do you think it's cheating, even though they've gone through the lock journey once or maybe twice? Do you think it's weird that they're reattaching their hair? Would it be weirder if it was someone else's locks? Would you attach someone else's locks to your hair? Just so many questions. So please drop down below in the comment section and answer those questions. Give me your thoughts. You guys know I love hearing from you and hearing your thoughts on these very controversial topics. This one isn't too bad, but it is an interesting one. Alright, as always, I'm going to get out of here, so please learn to love unconditionally, because loving with conditions the heart to not really love at all. Sebbies is out.